think about Schaeffler, what comes to our mind is all bearings. And we associate bearings with all those IC engines, traditional vehicles. Last couple of years, we are all hearing about EVs, electric vehicles. And this year, every major manufacturer came up with multiple models of EVs. I'm having with me Harsha Kadam, who leads Schaeffler in India. And I would like to find out from him how the automotive industry is transforming and what is Schaeffler taking the space there.
Thank you, and thank you, Mission Maker, for giving me this opportunity. At the outset, we are here in this Bharat Mobility Expo, as you can see. We are here because, as Schaeffler, we are a leader in motion technology. In India, up until now, we were pretty strong in our existing portfolio of products for the offering for the IC engines. And we are strong, we continue to remain strong in that. But as you know, the market is transforming, and in the passenger vehicles and or the automotive space, the electric vehicle technology is coming into play more and more. And there's a more adoption of the electric vehicle technology by our customers as well. Now, since that is happening, Schaeffler globally already has competency in electric mobility. With a portfolio of products, whether it is motors, whether it is the complete e-axles with the power electronics included, with various sensors that go into engine applications as well. So with the combined portfolio of not just the mechanical products, we are now into the electric mobility products play as well. And this we have done over the years by home growing our technology, as well as by an inorganic growth story. A recent merger of the company with Expo is certainly bringing in a wider portfolio, which is complementing the Schaeffler products value offering to our customers.
Schaeffler, when it comes to India, that you had a very strong manufacturing presence and you focused on localizing your technology here. Now, when we are talking about EVs, the numbers needs to make a big to invest such kind of. So where we see in the future mobility, Schaeffler doing localization of these products in India, is there any opportunity?
You are true. One of the challenges with a very slow growing market of the EVs is where do we invest and can we invest, because we need those economies of scales to invest rightfully. That said, but if you don't do anything as well, you will be left behind, and we don't want to be left behind. So we are evolving and trying to find innovative methods of how we can stay relevant in the Indian market space in the new emerging technologies like EV, looking at new business models, new manufacturing models. So to start with the e-axles, currently we will continue to import it for some time, but we begin to start localizing in a phased manner. So thereby, by the time the volumes start to pick up, we are ready to kind of ride the wave of the growth and the change that is happening in the electric mobility space.
I also have seen that apart from the business what you run, that you are very actively participating in empowering the Indian manufacturing, especially when it comes to upskilling the skilled manpower, or even automating. You try to promote automation in the industry. How do you see over the last couple of years, especially after the COVID, the kind of demand in automation is increasing?
Yes.
Where do you see that Indian manufacturing is moving ahead?
The level of automation that is coming in is so profound. It's not just about attaching a few sensors. It's about getting to make it possible for the machines to interconnect each other and talk to each other. So thereby, there's an immense amount of value that this brings in to the manufacturers themselves. Be it by way of reducing scrap, be it by way of improving the efficiencies of production, be it by way of improving the throughput times as well. So from every aspect, when one looks at it, so digitalization in the manufacturing sector is a given. We are now starting already to hear a lot about Industry 5.0. 4.0 is almost now being phased out. So with the advent of cobotics and robotics getting integrated into our manufacturing process, that brings in a lot of competitiveness As I am speaking in our plant in Hosur and Pune, we already have installed a lot of robots in our manufacturing lines. So all the manual operations which were there have been moved on to automated robots. But that does not mean that employees are let go. We upskill the employees. We prepare them for the next level of technology and transformation that's coming in. And that's an important part of Schaeffler's growth story. Our employees are the biggest strength. So we make sure that we continue to upskill them for the new technological challenges that come our way. And we see that happening with e-mobility. Going forward, you still have the hydrogen technology to come in, the fuel cells to come in. So I'm sure there's more going to happen. But we invest in our people because if they succeed, we succeed.
It was always insightful talking to him, be it in seminars organized by his best friend Rajesh Nag, BDMA, or any other platforms. Thank you very much for sharing your time, and we wish you with all the best with all these new launches you have done in Bharat.
Thank you. Thank you so
Thank you
much.
very much.
Thank you.